Hello, this is the second thing I've made. It is a board that allows my roommates to know where I am currently at. So it says Limbo is currently in, down to chill, busy, etc. I have two push buttons on the side that can go up or down to light up the corresponding LED. Go up or down. It's fairly simple. Over here I have two push buttons that I had lying around. The brain of this is, if you can see that there, an AT Tiny 85 that I was able to program similar to the AT Mega 328. And it connects up here to the more complicated part, a serial register. Now what this does is the AT Mega sends a byte telling which LED of these six to turn on, and then it turns the corresponding LED on. It's just powered with a two AA batteries here. I didn't want to make a switch because I was low on them, but that is about it. I was also able to go to a hardware store to pick up some wood screws, and now our digital dice roller has a nice little housing unit.